It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,